Hey guys, it's David from Trail Adventures USA. Today we took Juniper Flats all the way up to Big Bear from the Apple Valley area. Many of you guys are familiar with this trail. It's one of my favorites. We brought the kids up today. We found a place where we can just have a quick day camp. What we're going to do today, we're going to do Johnsonville brats. We're going to go ahead and boil them in beer first. And what we have is a Sapporo Premium Lager. We have some sauteed vegetables. We're also going to use this episode as a means to review the Gas One cooktop. So stay tuned. It's going to be a great episode. Our beer up to a simmer. We're going to go ahead and let the bratwurst absorb all that wonderful beer flavor. Okay, so you guys know Crystal. She's going to go ahead and load up the salt and pepper. So this is Slap Your Mama seasoning. Same thing you use in Cajun style food. Adds a little bit of spice. Salt and pepper. All right. So we're going to go ahead and let those cook up. Once they're done boiling, then we'll go ahead and put them on the flat top to go ahead and get a little bit of char on them. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and get these onions and our bell peppers sauteing on the skillet. We've got some butter. So go ahead and add some salt, some pepper. Oh, you smell it already. It smells delicious. As soon as those vegetables hit the tray. A little salt, pepper, and a little bit of Cajun spice, just to kick it up a notch. All right, stay tuned. Should be great. Bratwurst have already been boiled in beer. And like I said, we use that Sapporo lager. Now we're going to get some color on them. I'm sure you guys can just imagine how this smells. It is sloppy, but man, who could ask for more? Today here up in the San Bernardino Mountains near Big Bear. And I want to tell you a little bit more about the Gas One stove. And honestly, it should be called the Gas 2 stove. The reason is it does run on butane fuel. Butane cartridges are readily available at Smart & Final and other locations. You can even get them on Amazon. Also, this unit here does run on propane. So if you have the disposable propane bottles We're all very familiar with those. You can also use them with this system. It does come with hoses that will attach to your propane bottles. But overall, I want to tell you, so we've used this twice now. If you want to go back, you'll see that there was a video we did last episode. We cooked up some wonderful ribeyes. Today we just did a very simple bratwurst, beer bratwurst, but it was delicious. So I just think that for a simple camp stove, now it doesn't have any windshields or wind deflectors, but overall a nice size 2-burner stove where you can use some full-size pots and pans. Now a lot of times when you're using a camp stove, you can't fit full-size pots and pans. This one you can. Easy cleanup, easy storage. It does come with a carrying case, makes it very convenient and stores very well. Once again, this is a stove that I could recommend to you guys if you're looking for something that will fit full-size stoves. As far as the weight, it's very light, right around 10 pounds or so. I'll get you all the specifics as far as size, dimensions. Those will be in the description. So make sure that you like and subscribe. In this way, you won't miss one of our episodes. Thank you for tuning in, and thank you for being a part of this trail adventure.